If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hope you are ready now. There's no other deviation. There's no other deviation now.
Yeah, you can.
Let's go to the topic. Today we are going to review the EC customizing and populating the basic foundation data and country-specific foundation data tables. We are going to see as part of today's topic. And just disclaimer for your reference. Okay. Perfect. Let us start this session. Himabindu,
Yes,
can you please recap what we have discussed so far?
Yeah, we discussed about the business rules. I mean, in the last class where we stopped is regarding the business rules actually.
Yeah.
And workflows. You're asking me to tell about the last two classes, Kanna?
Yes, I am asking you to tell about what we have so far completed in the last classes. Can you, yeah, share your screen?
Yeah, yes, Kanna.
And show us what we have completed in last two classes. And then from there, we will proceed.
Okay.
Show in the system, show in the SuccessFactors instance.
Okay, Kanna. 1 second, Kanna. Yeah,
Please explain what you're doing.
Workflows, we discussed about the workflows.
Okay.
You want me to show the workflows, Kanna, or like business rule?
Yes, I wanted to show the workflows.
Workflows.
What exactly you have done?
Yeah. I'm not getting it. Workflows. For the navigation, it is 1 second. Kanna.
Yeah, not an issue. If you need any help, you can ask me. I can help you out from there.
Structures, yes. You want me to show the existing workflow, Kanna, or like you want me to create a new workflow?
Yeah, just show me the entire process, what you have done. You know, step 1, step 2, step 3, how the workflow is populated. That's it. In a simple steps.
Once after creating, I'll show the one which I already created a workflow.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the one which we already created the workflow. Here, like we will be having different sections like like after filling this necessary details. In the step 1, we will be giving the approver type, where like the role, what exactly it is, like approver type we have taken as role, and approver role, whatever the fields, whatever employee from whom we need the approval. So that one we have to select. But in step 1, I have selected as matrix manager, and the context will be source. If an employee is not having any matrix manager, we can skip in the no approver behavior. We can skip this step. We can select the option, skip the step. If the selected employee is having a manager, reported manager, then we have to go for the option stop the workflow, where the workflow will be stopped by the respective manager. So here the skip the step means here this manager, the approval will not go to that respective manager. And relationship to the approver, like if that employee, what is relation between to the matrix manager? So it is employee only. Respect permission, as we don't have the employee or matrix manager, so with the respect permission, here we have taken as no. And okay, I'll take this one. If the approver type is role, and if the employee selected employee is having a manager who has to approve for further steps, then here we will be having approval role as manager will be selecting. And the context is target, where this target is, 1 second, I'll tell you.
See, the context helps you to identify the manager who was there in the past and who is going to be in the future.
Yes.
Source and target.
Yeah, source and target. Yeah. So target is the current manager and source is the previous manager, right?
No, source is the current manager.
Okay, target is the previous manager.
Target would be the future manager. This only works in that way.
Oh, okay.
It's not past and present, it is present and future.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm sorry. So edit transaction. So this manager will be having an approval where he can change the he can change the raw change. Means what exactly is if there are any other, if you want to change any changes to the approval, he can make the necessary changes. Am I correct, Kanna?
Yes.
Yeah. So the relationship is same. And here we will be taking the option as respect permission as yes. So like this, we will be taking the options, and contributor here is say like the contributor will not be having any permission to make the changes in the approval, but he can give some suggestions to the approval. Right, Kanna?
Yes. Contributors, that is true.
Yeah, like HR managers.
Yeah.
And CC role is the it to the entire, whatever the changes or like whatever the instructions they will be getting to the entire team, they will be getting. Yeah. So this is about the workflow. And regarding the business rules, configure business rules. And business rules, why we will be using business rules is once after yes, if there is any change, say suppose if there is any change in the personal information, if you want to give any change, if someone changes any personal information, then there we will be then the error message will be triggered, so that the changes are like it's a hint, like an error message will be triggered regarding the changes. Like we are not supposed to change the personal, like the given information. So through that triggered message, we can see the workflow also.
Exactly.
Like the conditional work.
Yeah.
So here we will be creating a new business rule. Going first, the navigation path will be configure business rule. Then there will be taking a business. Actually, here we will be taking a we will be clicking on this create new rule, and from here we will be going to the basic. So here we have to give the rule name. Say suppose not language. Okay, I'll take the language itself. So whichever field we want to change, say, I mean, okay, if whichever we want to change, that we will be taking here, that will be the rule ID will be the same. And here, the basic object will be it is related to the personal information. That's why we will be taking the personal information model.
Exactly. The wastage, where do you identify? It must be from the implementation guide. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're
So we'll be taking here as personal information model. We'll be continuing, and then here. So if we want to, here we are giving the condition. So what is my condition is, if someone changes the current existing language, then they like an error should be displayed. That is what my condition is. So I'm taking here wf config. If it is not equal to if it is not equal to, here I have to take language only, right?
not language, personal information. No, in the if condition, you have to identify what exactly you are trying to change.
Language.
Language is not a proper example. You can take an example like the personal information, first name, last name, middle name, marital status. You understand?
Okay,
you can
then
take
I will check.
You can even now you can take, even now you can take it. That's not an issue.
Oh, okay. So here I have to take. Okay, I'll take first name Karna then.
Okay. But you forget what to take in the rule type. Employee updates. Did you forget that? Rule type.
Rule type. Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Yeah. No issue. No issue. Proceed.
Here also I'll change it as first name. Role type. Employee updates I have to take. Now I have to come. Now here, personal information model, first name I have taken. And if it is not equal to the first name is not equal to the, if it is not equal to the
first
change.
Value not equals to first name. You have to compare with the same information.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Correct. Yeah. So the first name given one, if it is not equal to the existing one, then the error should display.
Yeah.
Right, Kanna? Yeah. So here we will be taking then set.
How confident you are on the concepts of this?
Yeah, this is. See, Kanna, now I'm showing me I'm good only. I'm thinking, but I don't know.
No, it is good, really good, but you have to practice. How much time you are dedicating for practice? I can see a deviation. Earlier, before last week you were doing without any, second thought, and now you are just searching for the things. Navigation.
Yeah, Kanna, just give me 2 days of yes, Kanna. Like in between, I had some deviation, right?
Yeah, I do understand, but what I am saying is try dedicating at least 1 to 2 hours a day. Try dedicating.
Yeah. Sure, Kanna, definitely. What is the thing is once.
Yeah. In that way, you will be able to identify everything. Only the practice, you can get the things very quickly. Okay.
Yes, correct. So here I have assigned the workflow also. Then I have to save it. So here it is correct, right, Kanna? Kanna?
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, that's
correct,
a workflow.
Right?
Yeah, that is said. Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
That is correct.
Now I'll be saving the document. Another document. I'll be saving this. Why my save option is not working? Save, it's not coming.
Yeah.
I'm not able to save it.
Leave it, because that's from the rule ID. See, rule ID must not have the space in between.
Oh, okay. Here it is. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to.
That comes by practice. Don't worry. See, it is
Okay.
all about how fast you can learn and how better you can perform the things.
Yes, Kanna.
Yeah. After this, we will step into data models.
Data. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you want me to go to the employee profile, Kanna?
Yes. Show us. Where do you assign that? You have created the workflow. You have created the business rule. Where do you assign that business?
Yes. That one we will be assigning in the manage business configuration.
Okay. What is that managed business configuration?
It is organizational. Corporate data model.
No, succession data model.
Sorry, succession data model. Yes. Succession data model. Employee data. It is succession data model. Yeah. So here, I think I'll be assigning here personal information and first name. Personal information model on change. Workflow. Am I what I'm doing is correct only, right, Kanna?
Absolutely.
So here I have to select the first name. Yes. So I have assigned it. So done. I will be clicking on the done now.
Yep.
And I'll be saving entire thing. So you want me to log off and log on, Kanna? Not
that's the best practice. That is the best practice usually you have to follow. Okay.
Okay. So I'll log off and log in, Kanna.
Yeah.
Log out. And log in. Yeah. Now I'm going to in employee profile to test whether the error message will be displayed and to check the workflows. So to check the workflow, I have to take an employee rather than manager. So, okay. Let me go to Bitmap. Okay, I'll go to Christine. Okay, now I'll try to change the first name. Okay, now the Christian is there. So Mary, I'm giving upload some document. Okay. Okay, save. No. Kana, the document is saved, but nothing is coming.
There are several reasons for that. You should not go behind that. That is a circle again. Okay. When you are doing the actual implementation, you can understand that that's you're doing it for the first time. You can configure it. Even if you're not aware of that, you can go and debug it. You have the leisure of time. But here, no need to worry about that. You can proceed and learn. This is a process, but I wanted you to debug, make sure that by tomorrow's session, you must be able to complete this. Okay. Identify the existing business rules which are directed towards the first name. Remember, when there are two rules conflicting each other, which comes in a same place, system will not trigger any of them. Understand?
Okay.
So let's keep in the same way, proceed. And we are going to understand about the data models. And we are, as per today's session, we are going to deal about our corporate data model. And one moment. Yeah.
Shall I stop sharing, Kanna?
Customizing and populating basic foundation data and customizing country-specific fields. Anyway, no need to stop it because we have already done a dry run with this module and you are familiar with this. Go and demonstrate that.
Which one, Kanna?
The data models. Do you remember? Do you remember the business unit? What is the
Yes,
org? Okay, please go
yeah.
ahead. Yeah, and show us how do you do that? The org structure, how do you create that? They are the foundation objects. Remember, they are the foundation objects which you will be going through.
I have to create a new one, or you want?
Create the new one. How do you populate the basic foundation objects? What are the foundation objects? Can you give an example for that?
Yeah, foundation objects like legal entity,
Yes.
entity, legal entity, business unit,
Okay.
divisions, department.
Mm-hmm.
Those are all foundation objects.
Exactly. They are the basic foundation objects.
Yes.
Do you remember I shared you one document, data model reference guide? Open that. It's already with you.
Data model.
Otherwise, you will get it.
Data model
The data
reference.
model reference guide, the implementation guide.
Huh? One second, Kanna. Which one you take? SAP help.com you're telling, Kanna?
Yeah, I'm saying about the documents, what's been shared with you, the data model reference guide, implementation guide. Initially, when I just given the explanation, I have shared you with that. Scroll up to the top. Materials, click on materials. Scroll down, Control F. Search with data model.
Here.
Scroll up to the top. I still remember they said they have loaded that.
Okay, no, only one
LMS.
document you have. Only one document you shared with us, Kanna. I told you, right? This
What
one
is
you have
that?
not shared. I'll show you
No.
this one. Which one is? Yeah, goal plan template XML. Only this one you have shared, Kanna.
So one moment, just stay online, because lastly they sent the screenshot where they have uploaded. I still remember that. One moment, I'm just checking for the screenshot where they have given the screenshot, the data model reference guide. It is there under, okay. This is different. Let me share with you. But anyways, I'll ask them to check and post it back, because I still remember they have they clearly shown me where they have posted it. It is absolutely somewhere in the materials. Okay. You can just
Even
go
that
ahead.
workbook also, Kanna. That I don't know. Then
No,
like where they
have
shared.
done it. They have done it. Go to the material. That's what I remember. Go to the materials. I can tell you.
Afterwards, after the class, I'll go and check each and everything. I'll try to see.
Scroll up to the top. Scroll up to the top. Top. Okay.
Yeah, this is.
Assignments and case studies. Scroll up.
This is the one you shared, Kanna.
Okay. Discussion board. Okay, just give a Control F and search it again. Data model.
Yeah,
Scroll up
nothing
to
is
the
there.
top. Scroll up to the top. Okay. But that must be there somewhere in the session meeting links. No. Assignments and case studies. Materials. Go to materials. That's what we checked, right?
Yeah.
And assignments and case studies. Okay. I'll ask them to post it in this assignments and case studies. Okay.
Okay.
Not an issue. Go to help.sap.com. Open Employee Central Core Implementation Guide. Help.sap.com and open Employee Central Core Implementation Guide.
Yeah, Kanna.
Control F, you can just directly basic import. Page number 71. Page number 71. You can directly go to page number 71. Navigate to page number 71. From the top, you can just enter the number that gives you Page number 71. Yeah. This is what I was referring to, introduction to foundation objects. Okay. The foundation objects, as we discussed, they are the building blocks, and you must be importing them at the initial stage of implementing anything. I mean to say, implementing Employee Central modules at any point. They are like org structure, job structure, pay structure, location structure, and others. In the org structure, you get the things like legal entity, business unit, division, department, and cost center. In the location structure, you get location and location group. In the job structure, you get job classification, job roles, and you also get job codes. And in the pay structure, you get pay scale structure and pay scale level, pay scale group, and so on. Okay. Now when you start loading the data, you can directly load the data. Scroll down, and you see, wait a moment. When you're adding the foundation data one by one, you can just go ahead and do it how you did last time and how you're doing now, which is going to org job pay structure. From there, directly enter the data. What is a legal entity? What is a business unit? What is a department? What is a division? And you can do the association and the parent and child relation. There's nothing that can stop you. But what happens if you're importing the data, something like 100 business units, 200 divisions, 400 departments? Is it possible doing manually? No. So what you have to do, you have to import the data, foundation data. Understand? When the data becomes bigger one, I mean to say the list of data is a bigger one, you have to import it, right? You must go to import and export the template, and then update the information over there and import it back. Okay. Go back to SuccessFactors and show us how do you create the data model. How do you create the org structure using the data models manually? Then we will move further. Then we will move further to the importing the data models. Proceed.
Kanna, if I do anything wrong, just please let me know. Like,
that's why I'm here, Himabindu. Don't worry.
Because
see, you are on a learning stage. Please remember, you are on a learning stage. And it is my responsibility that even if you're doing any mistake, I have to tell you, no, you have to do it in the other way. That's it. There's nothing wrong. Trust me.
It's in the starting session, right? So I forgot. So
No issues. Ma'am, no issues. No need to, worry about that. You can ask me. That's why I'm here, right?
So legal entity, I have to take. I'm creating legal entity, right?
Legal entity? What is a legal entity?
No, not legal entity.
No, I'm asking what is a legal entity?
Company
legal entity
name.
is a company, and that has the highest highest object in the organization for the specific country level. Okay.
So I have to create legal entity, right, Kanna?
Yep. First legal entity, always that comes first. Okay.
So here I have to give legal entity ID. Okay, 22 to 22. Legal entity name. Say some legal entity name. Some ABC.
Explain it. Himabindu.
Yeah,
Explain.
Yeah, I'm
Explain.
explaining, Kanna. I have given the legal entity.
Yes, with confidence, you have to tell what is a legal entity name. Maintain the same pitch. Yes, it's a company name.
Yeah.
You can tell that. If you get scared in front of me and in front of the interviewer, when you go out and start giving the interviews, you should not have the same issue, right?
No, Kanna. Now I'm getting scared is because like I had a break. I have not practiced the earlier one.
No need to get scared or anything. This is a learning platform. Please remember.
Yes.
I'm here to guide you. Whatever it is, even if you say the legal entity is a succession data model, I don't worry about that.
Yes, Kanna.
I'll tell you, no, Himabindu, legal entity, it doesn't come under succession data model. It comes under corporate data model. That's it. Maximum that's what gonna happen. Why are you scared for that? No need. I told you I'm your friend, right?
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. Proceed.
Yeah. So legal entity ID have given some number, random number, and legal entity name is the company name. Say I have given ABC. Status will be active. And here I'm filling the mandatory fields, standard weekly hours, say some 20, okay, some 30 hours. Okay, next currency, US dollars. USD. Country I've taken USA. United States. So legal entity type will be. I don't like this is not mandatory field, right? You want me to fill?
Yeah, whatever it is. What happens if that is a mandatory field? How can you make that as a mandatory field? That's what my question.
That we will be doing at the back end, right, Kanna? Whatever the fields we want. No, not at the back end. No. Actually, the fields whichever we want to get. In the yes. I know this.
Configure.
Yeah, configure business organization.
No.
Configure business.
Configure object.
Model. Configure object definition. Yes. In configure object definition, we will be doing that.
Yes. That is how you learn. Don't worry. That is how you, not only you, everyone learn in the same path. You must not get scared at any point of time in your learning, Himabindu.
Yes.
Whatever it is, okay?
Yeah. So government agency have taken the legal entity type. And
okay, okay, proceed.
So some random number ID, bank district. Okay, say some employer ID, some random number. Employee code will be the same. Okay, state NJ. Oh, okay. Okay, districts. Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
How you are getting? Wait a second. You're saying, okay, legal entity, government agency, state.
That's what I'm thinking here. I've given US, United States here.
I don't think Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala are there under that country. There's something wrong.
Yeah, that's what.
And that's what I just wonder. Why Tamil Nadu is coming under United States?
No, but here I'm not getting any other option, Kanna.
Go and change the country. Let us see how it happened over there.
Yeah, okay.
Country. Maybe the assignment would, no, not the currency. Currency doesn't matter. Always the integration, it happens between the country and the states. Maybe they have not done a proper mapping between the states and country pick list.
Yes.
That's what it is triggering an issue.
Okay. So here it is.
Go to configure object definition.
Okay.
Go to configure object
You want me
definition.
to duplicate the tag or like here it's from here?
Duplicate the tab. Duplicate the tab. Do not do it on the same.
Configure. Configure object definitions, it is, Kanna?
Yep. Object definition, legal entity. Take legal entity. There.
Yeah. Here we'll be going to the country. We have to go, Kanna, or like?
Wait, scroll down. Wait, scroll up to the top. Scroll up to the top. Take action on the right hand top corner. Take action, make correction, scroll down. Go for the country options.
This one only, right, Kanna? State and district.
See the associations, what they have done. This is where they did a mistake to that. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know who did it, but that's wrong. Scroll up to the top. Check for the states. State. Okay,
Yeah,
customs.
this one is custom
Okay,
state.
go to the details. Go to the details. Lastly, it was changed by scroll down. Who did the change?
Yes.
No, click on done. Click
That's
on
it.
done. Click on done, and scroll down to the end. Scroll down to the end. Let us see who changed it.
Monica
on Wednesday, February 16th. Crazy. No, not an issue. Scroll up. They made a small mistake here. We have to do a debug. The pick list values, what they have assigned to the country and the states, that is absolutely wrong. Go and check the country pick list. Go and check the country.
Country of registration is there. Country.
That will be in the fields. Just go back to the previous tab and identify what field it is.
Okay. In the field. Here only, right, Kanna?
Yep, in the same place. But leave it because they have added multiple custom fields. We are not worried about that. Let's proceed with our base concept. Okay, but remember, always you will be having a proper association, proper parent and child pick list relation between the country and the states, so that when you select something like United States, you don't need to select something like Kerala, Karnataka under that. Remember,
Yeah.
save it and proceed and go ahead and create business unit, division, department, create the association.
Now, yes, business unit I have to. So I'll just take the screenshot. So in the same page you want me to do, Kanna?
Yes.
Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Now I have to create one business unit. Business unit, say HR business unit. And I will just to identify, I'm giving today's date, 21st. February. Okay. Business unit name, it will be same. Instructions, status will be active. Head of the unit. Okay. I'll take simple people. State again. We have to take the same state, Karna, or else it's fine because here it is not there. The same one.
It's fine. Leave it, because that's not a mandatory field.
Okay.
Focus on the association that you do with a legal entity, with a business unit.
Yes.
That's more
No,
important.
now we cannot associate because this is the parent one. So
No, you can associate the business unit to legal.
yes. Yeah,
Remember,
to the legal entity. Yeah.
yes, association is a relation between the two different foundation objects. Okay.
Yes. Yes. I associated Karna this one. I'll be
Okay.
saving this. And now I'm taking a division. Yes. Division again. Code. 22222. Name will be division. Oh, business. Okay. Recruitment. Description. Status active. Head of the division. Daniel. Parent division. Parent division will be the business unit, right, Kana? Which I've created.
Yep.
1 second, Kana. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No need for many sorries. Okay.
Yeah. So the business parent division, what I've created. No. Business unit, what I've created. HR. I've created human business unit as HR only.
No worries. That's taking a little more time. Otherwise, refresh, log out and log into SuccessFactors system. Try it now.
No, it's coming, Anna. It's not taking. No, I'm. It's from my side. It is. I'm not getting which one I have created.
Okay. Okay.
So I don't know which one I've created. HR only I've created the business unit. But here I'm not able to see that one.
Go and recreate it. Not an issue.
Okay. Okay. Business unit. Business unit code 222. Business unit name HR underscore 222. Status active, head of the unit. Some India HR underscore 222. This one. Legal entity. Yeah. 222. Now, department division.
Remember the sequence you must not forget. The business unit, the legal entity, business unit, division, department, cost center, and you can assign the position to the same department.
So after business unit division only, right, Kanna? After the department will come.
Yes.
Yeah. HR underscore. Kanna, here, parent division, this will be the parent division, right?
So if that is a parent division, then you don't need to assign any parent division for that.
Yeah, that's what okay.
Good question.
So business unit here, it will be some HR underscore. Yeah, this is the business unit. I assigned. Save. So now I'll create one more division that will be the child one. Oh, I should have taken the screenshot of that. Parent division it is. Say a business unit. 1 second, Karna. I'll just save that one.
Perfect. Proceed. Remember, I asked you to prepare a document like this. Okay?
Yeah, I prepared, Karna. Yes, yes.
Good, good.
This is what the document is.
Yep, yep. Perfect.
Yeah. Now I have to create the department. Save. Yeah. For department, I think I won't be having any permission, Karna. I have to log in as a super, either as a
Do it.
SF
Do it.
admin. Proxy.
Yep, yep. Do it.
On you. Yes. Admin. Parent department. This will be the parent department. I'm assigning this to the division. Code. Yes, ADF table. Save. Now I'm creating a child one to this department. Department code. 1, 2, 3. Department name. XYZ. Head of the department. Parent department will be on which one? That one only. Division. Yes, that is 1, 2. Save. So I'm done with the divisions and department, Kana.
How about the cost center?
Oh, yeah. 1 second. Then I'll paste this one once. Yeah, I'm creating one cost center now. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Name. GHI. Fine. Parent cost. No, this will be the parent cost center. So legal entity will be ABC. Department will be HR underscore. XYZ 1, 2, 3. And what is the other? Yes. And business unit will be HR_222. Yes. Oh, I should have taken a screenshot. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Kanna, cost center also created. You want me to do other one, cost center, or it's fine?
That's fine. Where do you see that?
Which one, Kanna?
All this information that you have created, where you can find it?
In organizational structure, we will be seeing.
Sure.
Org chart.
Mhm.
No. Company structure overview.
Mhm.
Here I have to select the company entity. Am I wrong, Kanna?
No. Be confident. That's enough.
Legal view or business view?
Under legal view, you can see the legal entity and cost center. And under the business view, you will be able to view the business unit, division, department, structure.
Yeah, legal entity, business unit. Yeah. So here the cost center I got, which I created. And under the business view, business unit. It is a business unit created. HR. Yes. Here it is the business unit, division, 2 divisions, recruitment. This is the division. And if you, department, if you want. So here it is the department ABC and XYZ. Parent department and the child department. Division, I think we have seen already. So is anything else, Kanna? This is fine, Kanna? Is this fine?
Absolutely, this is fine. And now we go back to the implementation guide. And now we have seen how you can add the objects one by one. And I wanted you to show me how you can add, how we can do the import process. But don't worry about that actual import. Okay, we're not going to change anything. Try it. Page number 71. Yeah, use, yes, that's 71. Use import and export data.
Yeah. Use import and export data. Import and export data somewhere I saw this. Yes, export, import and export data.
Yep, proceed.
Import and export, not this one, right?
Your import and export. Navigate to the same point, import and export. Copy that and paste it here and search.
Yeah, import and export only. Here it is showing corporate data model. No, for succession data model. Kanna, this is for corporate data model. For succession data model.
I'll tell you. For the corporate data model, you just export the template.
Okay.
Export it. Export the template.
Yeah.
No, you are importing and exporting corporate data model. No, I ask you to import export data. Go back and copy the import export data. Please remember import export data. Go back to implementation guide. No need to get confused.
Yes. Import and export data. Yeah, export data.
Export data. You can select the generic object here. Legal entity. Type legal entity. Search. Yes, export.
Yeah. Export.
Do you understand how it works?
Yes, Kanna. But where is the data? Export.
Wait. Click on export. Yeah. Monitor jobs. Go to monitor jobs. It has given a small pop-up. Just go to monitor jobs from the navigation path.
Okay. Monitor jobs. Okay.
MDF export. Is that the latest one? Yes. Scroll up to the top. Always it will be in the first one. Scroll to the right. Scroll to the right. Yes. Download.
You want me to open that, Kanna?
Yes, open it. Open it. Open it. Just open it and review the document. I'll be right back.
Okay. What it's asking unzip. I don't have permission, it seems.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Kanna, I don't know. Yeah, this is what we got.
Open it.
The first one?
Yep.
Yeah, Kanna.
Review what details you have downloaded. Review what details you have downloaded.
This one, in this file you are asking.
Yes. See what and all.
Country code, currency code. I don't know. I'm not getting anything. Kanna. I didn't understand.
What information is here? Go to the header. Currency, US English, default English. This is the labels. Don't worry about the labels. Go and find out. Export for each foundation object, what you have seen so far, and save it in your local desktop.
You want me to export this all? I didn't get you, Kanna.
Export for each object, each foundation object. Now you have exported only for the legal entity.
Yeah.
I want you to export for business units,
Okay.
division, department. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes. I have to go to import export data and I have to select for the business unit and
Yeah,
division,
I want you
right?
to see what
Kanna? Business unit. Kanna?
Yes, Hemavindu.
Yeah, Kanna. So I've downloaded the business unit, but I'm not able to see
Review the top fields. Okay.
No.
Headers.
Yeah, I have taken that one, Kanna. See,
Good.
this is
And
the
go ahead and
file.
do the same thing for division, department, cost center.
Yes, Kanna. What is the thing is, 1 second, I'll show you. This is the business unit I've taken, but when I have opened the legal entity one, right? So I'm not able to open this one. I'm
You have
getting
to
an error.
rename it. You have to
I
rename
renamed
it.
it. Yes, Kanna, I've renamed it. I saved it.
Okay.
But still I'm getting.
Okay. First
See.
you go
Okay.
ahead
I
and
got it.
download the other things. Yeah.
Okay, you want me to do for department and division also, right?
Department, division, cost center.
So this I have to save in CSV format only, Kanna, or else because it is showing like some features of the workbook might be lost if you save it as CSV.
No issue. Save it as Excel.
Okay. So again, import and export data. Export data division. Navigate to monitor job. Division. Next, cost center. Cost center, I'm not able to find anything, Karna.
Not an issue. If you're not able to find anything in the cost center, that's not going to be an issue. And when you have exported the business unit or the legal entity export file, check for your the legal entity or the business unit that you have created under that big list. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're asking me to check the business unit which I have created, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I got it. Yes, here it is.
What are all the attributes that you can see here for your legal entity? The
I
columns.
have checked. I think I'm seeing business unit, Kana. This is business unit.
Okay, no, not an issue. I will go ahead and update the languages, the locales for your business unit, what you have created, so that you can understand. Then it start reflecting in this import file. For the business unit, what you have created, update the locales. Locales means the language, the translation. Yeah, do that. And export again.
Okay, there in the business unit, you want me to make changes, and I have to see the changes here, right? You're asking.
Yeah, I'm asking to don't change the name, change the label. Change the label in different languages and see how it is reflecting here. And in the similar way, when you do from here, it will reflect there. You understand what I'm saying?
No, a bit confusing.
Okay, not an issue. We can have a look in. Please make sure that you are going through again. Okay. Whatever you have gone through for today, kindly make sure that you practice it.
Sure,
Okay?
sure, Kan.
And
Sure.
we will see how we can do that tomorrow.
Okay, Kan. Yeah. Thank you, Kan.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.